If you are a busy person who works on computer all the day and has to save some time, a few seconds here and there, this is going to be helpful for you if you are a MacBook user and want to automate a simple task like airdropping files. Currently, if you want to share a file from your MacBook to your iPhone, you have to go through several steps like selecting the file, then going to share, and then clicking on airdrop, then sharing your file to the device like the iPhone. I came across an app created by a developer called Ian Keen, who has created a small utility that is also available on the App Store. You can install it, although it is a paid app, though it is very useful. All you have to do is drag that file over to the notch and the airdrop option will automatically appear on your computer, and you will be able to select the device, the iPhone, the iPad, where you want to send the file. So it saves a few seconds here and there. If you do not want to spend money on yet another app, here is a free alternative that I just created using the Shortcuts. Shortcut is an app available for Mac, iPhones and iPads to create automations. So in the Shortcut app, you can automate a few things. For example, if you want to use two apps side by side, you can create a shortcut and select two apps that you want to work on side by side in split screen mode. There are several options available. For example, here is the Shortcut app that I opened. I'll minimize the article that I'm writing right now. So this is the app that is available in the Play Store. TopDrop, it converts your notch on your MacBook Pro 16 and 14 into a utility. But here is an alternative method. Go to Shortcuts. These are all the shortcuts that I have created on my iPhone. So all the shortcuts for different devices will be available here. Although some of them will not work on MacBook because the Smart Life app that I use on my phone is not on my MacBook. So some of the shortcuts will not work here. I'm going to show you how I created this airdrop file, which I have also added to the dock of my MacBook. And let me give you an example. I open a file. So this is a folder that has all the reels that I have to post on Instagram. What I usually do is shoot my videos for Instagram on my iPhone and then airdrop it to my MacBook where I edit them, and then I airdrop the final product back to my iPhone. If I have to send any file, I can drag the file and drop over to the dock, and the same box will appear. This is a free alternative, free option. The only thing you have to do is, instead of dragging and dropping file to the notch, you will have to drag the file to the icon in the dock system. Let's see how you can create this shortcut for your Mac to make it easy for you to airdrop files on your iPhone or other devices. I'll open the Shortcuts app, and there is a plus button on top right hand side which says new shortcut. So I'll click on that, and then I will go to documents. In this scroll area, I'll select get selected files in the finder. When I double click on it, it appears here. And now I'll go to sharing option, and then I'll double click on airdrop. So airdrop comes here. Now we'll go to the other option by tapping on the shortcut details button. Here I will add shortcut button as well. So my shortcut button would be Ctrl+Shift+P. Now let's see what happens when we play this shortcut. So here is the play button that tells you how this works when you run this shortcut. This box appears when you run the shortcut. Notice that the file that is showing in the airdrop pop-up option is the highlighted file. If I highlight some other file and then use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P, another Dropbox pop-up appears and the highlighted file is selected to send. So our shortcut is ready. When we close this, our shortcut appears here, and when we right click on this shortcut, it gives you an option to add it to dock. So you can add it to dock and place your shortcut anywhere you want. Now, whenever you have to send a file, You can either use your keyboard shortcut or drag and drop over to the icon in the airdrop pop-up option appears, and you will be able to send the files. This is the free option, which is quite at par with TopDrop utility, which is a paid utility. So this is the free alternative.